common law jurisdiction. So for those people who say things like the common law is a nonsense, they're talking nonsense, because we are officially a common law jurisdiction in this country. And in fact, you can't repeal certain common law even through statutes, acts of parliament, okay? But when you look at which parts of our common law have been enshrined in statutes, an awful lot of it has been. So, for example, the Magna Carta is enshrined as an Act of Parliament on the statute books. You can find it on www.legislation.gov.uk, and if you type in Magna Carta 1297, you will read that it's an Act of Parliament. It's on the statute books. And that Magna Carta is a legally binding, enforceable contract made between the Crown and the people, binding the Crown's successors in perpetuity, and our ancestors paid a 15th of their movables for the pleasure of that legally binding contract. That's been confirmed in the Confirmation of Charters Act 1297, another confirmation of the Charters in 1423. It's been confirmed again in the Petition of Right in 1627, which is on the statute books. It's confirmed again in the Bill of Rights, 1688. And then we have the Act of Settlement, which again enshrines our rights. And we have the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the European Convention on Human Rights, and as you say, the Human Rights Act, the Equality Act, the Human Rights and Bioethics. So we've got multiple laws. And, you know, that includes all the common law charters that we had before they were put onto the statute book. So yes, everyone needs to understand that, because that's a contract with the Crown, and it's it's enforceable, and we can petition the Crown if that contract's being broken, which is what they had to do in 1627. We the people need to demand that that contract is upheld, that our rights are upheld, our ancient rights and civil liberties. These are inalienable, fundamental human rights. No parliament gets to take them away. And if a Crown breaks that promise, we have the right to petition the Crown and demand it's upheld.